Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn topic 2 for basic operations on numbers. PPT 6. First problem. What should be added to the product of 37 and 30 to obtain 1200? First, we have to find the product of 37 and 30. 37, 30. Multiplication 0 0 3 sevens are 21 1 2 carry 3 threes are 9 11. So 0 1 1 1 to what should be added? So that's why we have to subtract this number from 1200. So 1200, this 1110. Subtraction 0 or 0 minus 1 not possible. So carry 1 here 10, 10 minus 1 9, 0 0. So 90. Option 2. Second problem, when 66,660 is divided by 11, what will be the quotient? We have to find the quotient. To find the quotient, we can divide or we can cancelize 66,660 by 11. So 11 6 are 66, 11 0 0, 11 6 are 66, 11 6 are 66, 11 0 0 6, 11 6 are 66, no balance, 11 zeros are 0, 11 ones are. So answer 6060. 6060. Option 4. Third question. The sum of two numbers is 15,75,470. If one number is 10,000 less than the other number, what is the smaller number? To find a smaller number, here we have a formula. Smaller number is equal to smaller number. Smaller number is equal to sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers minus more or less, here given less than, less by 2. So this is the process, this is the formula to find a smaller number. To find a smaller number is equal to sum of two numbers minus less or more by 2. So here given less. Sum of two numbers 15,75,470. First we have to subtract this less number. How much? One number is 10,000 less 10,000. First we have to subtract. We are subtracting 0 7 4 4 6 5 1. Then cancel or divide with 2. We can divide like this also, short division. 2 sevens are 14, 1 remainder, 2 eights are 16, no remainder, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 1 remainder, 2 fives are 10. So this is the smaller number. 7,82,235 is a smaller number. 7,82,735. 7,82,235. 15,75,470. 10,000. 074. Here 5 children. So 2 sevens are, 2 eights are, 2 twos are, 2 sevens are. So correct answer 782,735. So option 7,82,735. Option 3 is correct. Fourth, Santa scored 10 marks less than Kamala in an examination. Sharada scored 5 marks more than Kamala. In total, they scored 442 marks. What was the score of Shanta? If we know Kamala marks, we can find remaining members. So let the Kamala marks be X. Shanta scored 10 marks less than. Shanta 10 marks less than, X minus 10. And Sharda scored 5 marks more than Kamala. So Sharda 5 marks more means X plus 5. In total they scored 442 marks. So total means sum 442. So 1, 2, 3. 3x minus 10, 5. So minus 5 is equal to 442. 3x is equal to 442 plus 5. 3x is equal to minus quantity becomes, while transposing from left to right, this minus quantity becomes plus quantity. Minus quantity becomes plus quantity. So plus 5. 447. So x is equal to 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 fours are 12, 3 nines are 27. So x, Kamala marks 149. But we have to find not Kamala. What was the score of Shanta? We have to find the marks of Shanta. So Shanta, what? X minus 10. X minus 10 means 149 minus 10 139. So this is the answer. 139, option 1. Question number 5. In the product of 3478 into 12 into 26 into 10, the unit digit is 3478. 3478 into 12 into 26 into 10. By observing, we can identify the answer. When we multiply any number with 10, we get a 0 on units place. So here we get something, but last unit digit must be 0. So option 2. Sixth, the combined scholarship money for Ram and Lata is 210 rupees. If Ram's scholarship is 20 more than that of Lata, then the scholarship of Ram is. So here we have two students, Ram and Lata. Ram and Lata. 210. Ram's scholarship is 20 more than that of Lata. If we know Lata's scholarship, we can find Ram's scholarship. Lata be X. So Ram scholarship more than that of Lata. So X plus 20. Sum of these two students' scholarship is 210. So sum plus is equal to 210. So 1x, 2x plus 20. We have to transpose this 20 from left to right. 210 minus 20. Plus quantity becomes minus quantity. So 2x is equal to 210 minus 20, 190. X is equal to 2 ones, 2 nines are 18, 2 fives are 10. So X is equal to 90 rupees. Then the scholarship of Rams. So but we have to find Ram's scholarship, not Lata's. So that's why Ram's scholarship X plus 20. So 95 plus 20, 115. 115 rupees. 115, option 4. Seventh question. In the following addition, write the missing digits. Missing digits. 5 plus 4, 9, okay. Here 3. How will we get 3 here? If we have 0 in this place A, we get 3 only. So first and fourth options have 0. So these are in competition. 8 plus 3, 11. So in place of C, we got 1. So in first option, C is equal to 6. In fourth option 1. So that's why option 4 is correct. B, automatically B is equal to 6. no doubt at all. Here 1 will come, you may check like the children. Here 1, 8 plus 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 6, in place of B, 6, 8 plus 6, 14. So 8, B is equal to 6. In first option B is equal to 1, so that's why fourth option is correct. Question number 8. Find the difference between the following three number pairs and arrange the result in decrease order. So here we have to subtract this. Difference means subtraction. 10 minus 3 is 7. Here 3 only. 13 minus 5, 8. Here 7 only. 17 minus 9, 8, 6. 8 minus 3, 5. 10 minus 9, 1. 13 minus 5, 8. 6. 6 minus 4, 2. 18 minus 9, 9. 13 minus 5, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. We have to arrange these in decrease order, means descending order, means big to small. So this is the first position, this is the second position, this is the third position. So as it is 6887, yes, 6 only, 2, 28, 26, okay. Okay, 28, first position only. 2887, 2887, 2815, 2689. So option 1 is correct. Ninth question. In the following addition, write the missing digits. 5, this is addition, 5 plus 4, 9, okay. Here we have star, 3, 0, here 0 only. So in place of star, we have to get 0. First and fourth have 0. These are in competition. So these are not in competition. Next, 8 plus 3, 11. In place of question mark, we got 1. So question mark 1. Here is the question 6. Here 1. So fourth option is correct. Tenth question. A student got twice as many sums wrong as he got right. If he attempted 48 sums in all, how many did he solve correctly? So he solved, if he known right questions, we can find wrong answers. So here right X, wrong twice. A student got twice as many sums wrong as he got right. So twice means 2x. If he attempted 48, so total he attempted 48. So 2x plus 1x, 3x. 3x is equal to 48. X is equal to 3 ones, 3 ones 3, 3 6 are 18. So he got right 16, but he had asked how many did he solve correctly. Okay, asked correct correct answers only. So 16 is correct answer. Option 2 is correct. 11th, Amit scored 10 marks less than Joseph in an examination. Ali scored 15 marks more than Joseph. In total, they scored 245 marks. What was Amit's score? Amit's score. If we know Joseph marks, we can find Amit's and Ali. So Joseph marks be X. Amit scored 10 marks less than Joseph. So Amit less than 10 marks. X minus 10. So Ali scored 15 marks more than Joseph. That means X plus 15. In total they scored 245 marks. Total means sum. 245. 1, 2, 3. 3x is 3x minus 10 plus 15. 5 is equal to 45. 3x is equal to 245 minus 5. 3x is equal to 240. X is equal to 3 ones, 3 6 are, sorry, 3 8s are, 3 8s are 24, 3 zeros are 0. So here we have to find what was Amit's score. Amit's X minus 10. Amit's. So Amit's X minus 10. 80 minus 10. So 70 marks. Option 2. 12. The sum of two numbers is 4312. If one of the numbers is 3 times the other, what is the greater number? The sum of two numbers. If one number is 3 times the other, so if what is the greatest number? So smaller number be smaller number be X. So greater number 3 times the other. So 3x. Greater one, greater number 3x. 3 times 3x. So sum of these two numbers is 4312. So 3x, 1x, 4x. 4x is equal to 4312. X is equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 0s are 0, 4 7s are 28, 3, 4 8s are 32. So X is equal to 1078. But here asked what is the greater number, not a smaller number. So that's why we have to find 3x, not x. 3x is equal to, we have to multiply with 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 3 7s are 21, 23. 3 zeros are 0, 2. 3 1s are 3. So 3234. 3234. Option 4. 13th, in the following addition, find the missing digit. Here 4, 8, 12. Which one added here? We get to 9, 6. So in place of this square, we have to get to 6. 6 plus once again children, 4 plus addition, 4 plus 8 12, 1 1 plus 8, here 8 here 9, in place of circle 9, 8 9, 8 to 9, and also star, eight plus 1 9. Here 9. So 2 plus 9, 11. Here 1 carry. 10. So 10 means 0. Here 0 will come. So square 8, circle 9, star 0. 8 9 0. Option 4 is correct. 14th one, what is the sum of the smallest 5-digit number and the largest 6-digit number? Smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number, 1 after 4 zeros. This is the smallest 5-digit number, and the largest 6-digit number, 6 9s. Sum, we have to find addition. 9 9 9 9 10 10 10,09,999. 10,09,999. Option 1. So this is the question. This is the correct question. 70, we have to divide with 76. 2,345. 76. 76 3s are 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 22. Okay. 76 3s are 228, 228, 14, here 2 only, 6, 5. 76 zeros are 76 zeros are 0. So 65. So this is the 30 is the quotient, 65 is the remainder, 30 is the quotient, 65 is the remainder. 65, option 3. The sum of two numbers is 2,45,678. If one number is 16,016 greater than the other number, what is the greater number? To find greater number, we have a formula. Greater number. To find greater number, greater number is equal to sum of two numbers, plus more or less by 2. So this is the formula or rule to find greater number. Okay, using this formula we can find easily this. First we have to add for this sum 3,45,678. One number is 16,016. 16,016. We have to add this to 14, 9, 6, 11, 6, 3. Now we have to divide with the 2. Cancelize means to divide with the 2. 2 ones, 2 eights, 2 zeros, 2 eights, 2 fours, 2 sevens. So this is the largest number, 1,08,847. 1,80,847, option 3. Joseph scored 8 marks higher than Amit in an examination. Kumar scored 12 marks more than Amit. In total, they scored 205 marks. What was the score of Joseph? Amit. Here we have 3 students. If we know Amit's marks, we can find remaining two members. Amit's marks be X. Joseph scored 8 marks fewer than Amit. So Joseph X minus 8, and Kumar scored 12 marks more than Amit. So X plus 12. In total means sum. They scored 205. So 1x, 2x, 3x. So 3x, 8 minus 8 plus 12 plus 4 is equal to 205. 3x is equal to, this plus quantity become minus quantity. 3x is equal to 205 minus 4, 201. So x is equal to 3 ones, 3 6 18, 3 7s are 21. So X means Amit's, but here we have to find Joseph. Joseph marks means X minus 8. X minus 8. We have to find Joseph. X minus 8. So X minus 8 means 67 minus 8. 59. Option 3. Question number 18. Sharda bought a notebook for 25 rupees 50 paise, a pen for 7 rupees 50 paise, and 6 pencils, each costing 1 rupee 25 paise. She gave a 50 rupee note to the shopkeeper. The amount returned by the shopkeeper is. Sharda bought a notebook. So one notebook, 125 rupees only. 25 rupees 50 paise only. A pen, one pen only, 7 rupee 50 paise, and 6 pencils. So 6 pencils, each 1 rupee 25 paise. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 15, 6 1s are 6, 7 rupee 50 paise. So total how much for this? 0, 15, 6, 13, 20, 40 rupees 50 paise. She gave 50 rupees 50 rupee note to the shopkeeper. So how much return? By observing we can identify 9 rupees 50 paise. So option 1. If you don't know like this, you may subtract this 40 rupees 50 paise from 50 rupees. 0, 5, 9, 0. So 9 rupees 50 paise. By subtracting we can get. 19th question. When minus 1 is multiplied by itself 100 times, the product is. If minus 1 is multiplied any number of times, we get 1 only. 1 is multiplied any number of times, we get 1 only. But minus 1 is multiplied by 100 times. If we multiplied minus 1 2 times, minus 1 time minus 1 only. So minus into minus plus, minus into minus into minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus into minus into minus. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So minus, this is minus plus minus plus. If there are odd number of times, we get minus. 1, 3, we got minus. If there is even number of times, we get plus. So that's why there are 100 times we are multiplying minus 1 100 times. That's why we get plus 1. Option 1. Question number 20. One-fourth of birds of a flock are at a river bank, and 1/5 of that flock are in the nest. Remaining 22 birds are wandering in search of food. What is the number of birds which are in their nest? Let the total number of birds be x. Total number of birds be x. So that's why 1/4 of birds of a flock are at a river bank. At river bank 1/4 x by 4, and 1/5 of that flock are in their nest. In their nest 1/5 x by 5, and remaining 22 birds are wandering in search of food. 22 remaining. So total x, total means plus 20 x. We have to subtract. Plus quantity becomes minus quantity. This also plus quantity. We are shifting. Once again. Okay, let it be. Take first x by 4 plus x by 5 minus x. This plus quantity become minus quantity. This minus 22. Taking LCM, 20, 4 5s are 5 x, 5 1s are 5 x. 5 4s are 4 1s are 4x. 120s are minus 120s are 21s are 20 x is equal to minus 22. 5 plus 4 9 x minus 20 minus 20. So that's why 11x. Next step we can write 20x by 20 is equal to minus 22. Minus 11x by 20 is equal to minus 22. Minus minus cancel. 11 1s are 11 2s are. So x is equal to, so this division quantity become into quantity. 20 2s are 40. So total birds 40. But here we have to find the number of birds which are in their nest. Nest means x by 5. So x by 5. 40 by 5. 5 ones are 5 8s are. So 8 is the answer. Option 4. Option 4. Okay children, completed 20 problems. So these are questions came in previous JNVST. So that's why you have to practice again and again. Coming JNVST 2021 also framing like this only. So that's why you have to practice children. So bye, take care.